Okay.
So, just got my gun. I do notice, I think I even commented the thing, I hope the gun isn't taking on the shape of this package.
Let me see the package. Turn it this way.
It's, yeah,
It's got a little wow in it.
Quite a warp in it. I haven't opened it yet, but I also noticed super light. It could be. It's weird. It just feels super light. So I just was having Blossom watch as I'm opening it. It's well plastic wrapped, that's for sure. Got the
Here's scissors, honey.
oh, scissors. Oh, scissors. So we got the off it. Stuff. You know. Get the third board open. Oh, I guess that'll slide off the end.
Take your time.
Yeah, take my time.
Not a Temu package.
Mm-hmm. There's Temu. That's right. Okay, well, there's a... Okay, well, we'll open it on this side. Soon to be revealed.
Take your time and do not cut too deep.
Take my time.
Let me begin the spanking.
Wrapped. Oh, man, it feels light. Okay. Now I gotta...
Oh.
Just getting through the tape. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cut it again. Not my first rodeo. Looking right. Looking right. Go for it. This is a 44 Magnum. And it is a model 1894. And it is a Marlin.
How many Marlins do you have? Like this?
This is my fourth one.
Okay.
Actually, it's my first 1894. The others are 366, but they're
All of them? With the little ring on them?
they all have the saddle ring
Saddle ring?
and gold trigger and they're older style Marlins. And I like them. They're kind of hard to find.
If you're watching this video and you have one you want to sell Brian, he'd probably buy it.
Probably would. Especially if it's a 357. I'm looking for me. This is my second 44. Looks in nice shape so far.
Take your time. You don't want to... Oh, whoops. I wish I hadn't done that.
Whatever, I'm gonna posse. Okay. So far,
Turn around. Let me see it.
I'm liking it. Very much. Got that little mark, but he showed that in the picture, and that's just a blemish on the.
Hold it nice so I can see it in the...
So basically, this is what I like, folks. I like that little gold saddle ring and the gold trigger. And she's a 44 mag. Nice. Oh.
What?
Some retard screwed into the bullseye to put the thing. That's the wrong thing to do. So basically, on a Marlin rifle, there's what they call a bullseye. So there's a plastic insert. That's a bullseye. You're not supposed to drill into that. You're supposed to drill into the wood, but somebody has drilled into the bullseye. Anyway, you know what? That can always be fixed.
Oh,
So-
you'll never fix it.
And I'll never fix it. I want to use this gun actually a bit.
Mhm.
My poor old fingers are so sore from old age and whatnot. It hurts though to leave her, believe it or not. Yeah, I like it. It's a sweet little gun.
You happy with it?
Yes, I am.
Cool.